Hello everyone, I'm glad to see you on this YouTube channel. My name is Alina Riva, I'm illustrator and owner of a brush store. This video is a full review of paint brushes in Procreate. I'm showing all the stamp brushes that are included in the set 150 male torsos. These stamps are ideal for creating candid illustrations, comics, realistic images, anime, manga, and other types. You can use the brushes to draw illustrations on sports topics, healthy lifestyles, physical exercise on the body, and any other ideas that come to your mind. You can change the brush size, rotate the image in any direction, paint with any color. The brushes include the images of the male abs in different poses and different angles. All images are hand-drawn without the use of artificial intelligence. This set includes a commercial license. In my store, there are more than 150 sets of brushes on different topics. You might like brushes for painting male and female poses. I also have brushes for painting textures, interior brushes, brushes for painting hair, makeup, and other topics. Visit my website using the link in the description and choose brushes for your creativity. Now the set is available for the Procreate program, but perhaps I have already updated the availability in other programs, for example in Photoshop. Check it out on my website as well. This is a very high quality set. I hope the review was useful to you. Thank you for buying my brushes. Follow me and have a nice day. Bye!